Hi guys, my name is Evelyn and I'll be talking about Turner syndrome today. Okay, so the introduction to the genetic or disorder Turner syndrome is a condition that is result from missing the second sex chromosome X. This can happen before or after birth, causing in most cases the female to have developmental problems. Half of the people that end up having the syndrome have monosomy X, meaning all the cells in your body have one copy of the X chromosome instead of the usual two that they have. Okay, and some of the features that most Turner syndrome people tend to have, or females, tend to have the wide neck, broad chest, swelling of the hands and feet that usually happen at birth, shorter height than the average female, slow growth, the fold of skin, and elbow deformity. Okay, so the molecular cause inheritance pattern. The inheritance pattern for the Turner syndrome is not common, for it's usually a random pattern that's affected through the formation of the reproductive cells. That's why it's rarely caused by the deletion, rather by the uneven distribution of the chromosomes. And if the child ends up having to have that uneven distribution, that's how you end up the child ends up having the Turner syndrome. Okay, the treatment and cure for the disease. There is no cure for the disease, but there are treatments to reduce symptoms. There is a human growth hormones that can give at any age to increase adult height by a few inches, as well as estrogen replacement therapy to help young girls start their puberty stage. And counseling helps females cope with the depression or anxiety caused by the disease. For this disease, as young adults or females, children, can start feeling the loss of confidence to feel, why do I have this disease? And the counseling helps cope with the depression and anxiety that's being affected by the disease. Okay, so the disorder case study. Dr. Henry Turner discovered Turner syndrome in 1938. He was studying for a group of 7 girls who all shared the same symptoms and conditions, which that would be the modern name Turner syndrome. And he noticed that all the patients had a pattern to them. So that's when he realized that they have the Turner syndrome. That was later on during 1950s that he realized that they all shared the same chromosome, that they only had one chromosome and they did not have the usual 2 sex chromosomes that they have. Okay, so right here I have the evolution of the gene. Okay, so this is the phylogenetic tree, and right here I have the human, the monkey, and the gorilla, the seal. As you can tell, as they start to spread out, this is how you can tell how the gene has spread out around, how we have more common similarities to all these different organisms compared to how this disease can be spread around to a rat, to a camel, to a gorilla. The gene is spread around, and the name of this Turner syndrome name of the gene would be 45XG. Okay, and here are my references. Okay, thank you.